Hi loves, welcome back and thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making some Ghana tea bread. You can use this tea bread to enjoy any tea of your choice. I have my elderberry tea that is healthy and medicinal. I have that video on the channel already. I will put the link to the video in the description box below. So starting with, I'm going to be adding some milk in my KitchenAid bowl, mixer bowl. I'll add some yeast, some butter, and to that I'll give it a good stir, after which I'll be adding my flour. You need to measure your flour correctly, else your bread will not be perfect. So I'll link the video to how you can measure your flour well without a scale also. I added some salt and I'm also adding some cinnamon powder. You can omit the cinnamon powder or you can replace it with some nutmeg. So you don't need a mixing or a KitchenAid mixer or any kind of mixer to make this bread. You can make it by hand. And if you are making it by hand, you are going to be kneading the dough by stretching it, pressing it and pulling it for about 12 minutes. And your dough should be relaxed. And that will be it. I'll show you how you know your dough is perfect already. So I'll grease my bowl and place my dough in. And if you are using your hand to mix, once you press the dough down with your finger like that, it should bounce back. That is an indicator that your dough is ready and is nicely kneaded. So I'm going to cover this and let it be at a warm place for about 40 minutes. You can leave it at any warm place of your choice. So after the 40 minutes, the dough has doubled up in size. I press it down to take out the air, and I'm going to be dividing this into 4 parts, which we're going to be forming into our loaves. So I'll work on each divided part. I'm just going to use my hand to press it stretch. You can use your rolling pin as well. So we are just going to press this and we'll roll it into a log. So Ghana tea bread has a signature look, that is the end should be pointy. So after rolling it like this, I'm just going to pinch the ends together and I'll be making sure the ends are pointy. And I've dusted my baking sheet with some flour and I'll be placing all the loaves onto the powdered baking sheet. So I'm just going to repeat the process until I'm done with all 4 divided portions of dough. So after forming it into a log like this and pinching the ends together so they don't open up, I'm going to use the heel of my palm to make the ends pointy. So that is the signature look of Ghana tea bread. So use your hand to just roll it and the ends like that, and the ends should look pointy and you are done. I'll place each loaf onto a dusted baking sheet with flour and I'll cover with a plastic wrap and with my kitchen napkin, and I'm going to let it be at a warm place for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is how it is looking. I'll take off the plastic wrap and I'll dust it again with some flour before we will bake. We're going to be baking at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 30 minutes. The amount of time in the oven will depend on the oven brand or the type of oven you have. So please adjust the heat accordingly. And when it is golden brown or lightly brown, you will know it is done. Our Ghana tea bread is ready for your tea, for your beverages, and I know you will love it. So you can make your own tea bread in the house and you will love it. And when it is all cooled down nicely, it's going to break easily, and this is the cooled down version. And if you are making this by hand, you follow the same process and your bread will come out perfect. And thank you so much for watching this video throughout, and I will see you in the next one. Be safe, take care, bye.